Loving you is all I need. You and I were meant to be. And all these years that we have shared, I love you much more. You're my inspiration, you're what I live for. Loving you is for all time. I'll be here right by your side. And even when the storms might come, oh, we will stand strong. Our love is forever, our love is our song. And I thank you, my love, for this life you've given me. You are what I live for, you are all that I need. You are the one that I love, you are the one that I dream of. Always and forever I am yours. You are the one that sets me free, you are the air that I breathe. You and I were always meant to be. And heaven is when you're with me. I am yours and you are mine. This love we share transcends all time. And when we watch our children grow, there's one thing we know. In our precious family, this love is our home. And again I say thank you for all you've given me. You are one